Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm go ahead to introduce our new products on my right hand right here, the cocktail working station combinations. As we can see, we're having couple units right here. From the left one, for this unit is the 36 inches, and in the middle one is 12 inches. On the right hand one, this will be the 24 inches. So entirely the unit is about like a 72 inches. Let me measure for you. So exactly the 6 feet 72 inches in the length. And the depth of these combinations, they are about like a 29 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches. Actually, the units, they have a feet at bottoms. You can adjust a little bit height for the different situations. Maybe you need a little bit higher or lower. And also these bottle racks, you can see they coming with the 6 stage, and also having the extras, the bottle racks right here. You can put it either here or here you want. And the blender stations, you can put a blender right here and operate your like a bottles, clean it, or add this waters. They have a faucets right here. And all the units coming with the NSF sanitation sticker side, they approved. And the units made by all stainless steels. You see the white colors on top of it. Actually, these are plastic covers for the during transportation to get the protection on it. When you're receiving them, you can peel them off to see the real metal colors. And this will be the all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.